Hey everyone, welcome back to HAI-NESS Decor. Just finished cooking a mouth-watering meal and ready to wow your guests with a stunning dining table? Today, I'm sharing easy steps to create a modern, elegant table setup that's perfect post-cooking, plus a DIY project that'll make your table the star of the night. Stick around to learn how to repurpose that DIY magic for everyday decor after the party. But let's prepare the food for today first. So today's recipe is Saudi chicken kabsa. Let's get started. For chicken kabsa, first take a bowl and add 2.5 cups of basmati rice. Soak the rice for 30 minutes. While the rice is soaking, blend 2 large tomatoes to make a smooth tomato puree. Now, heat a pan and add oil, a little ghee, and your whole spices: cardamom pods, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, a few cloves, and peppercorns. Add chopped onions, garlic paste, coriander powder, cardamom powder, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, paprika powder, salt, and 3 green chilies. Sauté everything until the onions turn transparent and fragrant. Next, pour in the tomato puree along with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Cook this mixture for about 5 minutes. Now, add the chicken pieces and sauté well so that they're nicely coated with the spices. Pour in enough hot water to cover the chicken. Then add green chilies and the zest of 1 orange. Cover the pot and let it boil on medium heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Once done, remove the chicken pieces and set aside 1/4 cup of the stock. Adjust the salt, then add the soaked rice to the remaining broth. Lower the heat, cover the pot, and let the rice cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, brush the chicken with the stock and a little oil. Then grill it in the oven or air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until golden and crispy. For the garnish, fry a handful of raisins and peeled almonds in ghee until golden. To make the chutney, blend together tomatoes, green chilies, garlic, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt until smooth. And now, it's time to serve. Now, let's set the mood with a stunning table setup. For today's tablescape, I've chosen a black and gold glam theme. This elegant and luxurious combination is inspired by modern glamour and Art Deco influence. It also complements the black mirror on my wall beautifully. The DIY coasters, tray, and leaf-shaped frame that I've made will add that unique handmade touch that guests always rave about. I'll show you later how I made them. So, first step, picking your tableware. Go for simple, high-quality pieces to create a sleek and classy base. Start with beige placemats. Then layer on matte white plates. Add sleek golden cutlery and clear glassware to bring in a sense of lightness and balance. Begin arranging by placing your plates at the center of each setting. Add the forks to the left and the knives and spoons to the right of the plate. Then add. For a modern twist, fold napkins into a simple rectangle and place them for a clean look. For a more elegant effect, add some flowers and greenery after that. Finally, add cozy lighting by using fairy lights or candles. That's it. Your modern dining table is ready to impress, and your DIY project keeps the magic going. Now I demonstrate how I created this DIY candle holder, napkin holder, co-star, and frame. The leaf and color scheme of this DIY project was inspired by today's black and gold glam theme. I utilized a little leaf for this co-star, a candle holder, and a frame for a larger size. I used plaster of Paris combined with water for all of the materials. Next, create a mold, place it on a leaf-containing material, and then dry pill the leaf to reveal the texture behind it. After that, give firm shape some time. I added golden spray for color once it had dried. Apply 2 to 3 coats. After completing, the frame added light for a sophisticated touch. Don't throw away your homemade candlesticks after the celebration. They can be used as decorative pieces for bookshelves, arranged in a group on a coffee table, or transformed into miniature plant holders by adding tiny succulents. This maintains your house sustainable and fashionable. The main focus of modern decor is on functional and aesthetically pleasing objects. Your DIY project maintains the charm while your contemporary dining table is ready to dazzle. I'll now show you an example of a black and gold glam theme so you can see how to use this concept or theme to create a nicely structured dining area. This picture is based on the theme for today. There are mixed table runners in shades of gold and black, golden placemats and coasters, red or golden candlesticks, translucent or golden flower vases, and dining wagons with black tops and beige front doors. The knobs are likewise black. The entire space is enhanced by this furnishings. You can add metal display pieces on the top to improve the view. Then add the rear mirror cabinet. It is practical and gives the impression of more depth and space by reflecting the eating arrangement. Add thick, textured curtains made of satin sheen cloth after that. The lower wall is beige while the upper is neutral off-white. Finally, an abstract medium-sized black and golden painting can improve the aesthetics of your complete space. In addition, you need to keep medium-sized indoor plants. And that's it. This is how a theme-based approach can be used to redesign your dining area. It strikes a mix between efficiency and elegance, and it's ready to wow your guests both after cooking and when they're looking to upgrade the dining table. As a designer, I constantly consider and work with concepts since they give your space meaning and connection. Please let me know what you think about table arrangements. I appreciate you staying to the finish. See you in the upcoming video.